Hi, it's Phil at 11 Shares. As part of the series that I mentioned in the last video, which is, we'll say part 1 of looking at the key indicators that we use and we mention quite often on 11 Shares. The first one was based on moving averages, looking at simple and exponential moving averages and what they show you and how we potentially look at them and use them. This one is going to be on the stochastic indicator. So the stochastic indicator, which you can find within our share rankings page, I'll just log in, you will see that each time you click through to a share within the Share Finder UK page, you will see, and I'll just pick one that's more prominent so we can actually see what's going on with it. You will see we already have a stochastic indicator on there for you. So if you want to make a quick decision when you're filtering through shares, whether it's a good opportunity to buy, especially in investing where you're not necessarily doing lots of technical analysis, and the stochastic indicator is still a really good tool here. So it's on our homepage when you click through to each share, but I'm just going to show you in TradingView, our tool that we use to analyze and chart shares. Cape Technology. So the stochastic indicator sits here for us, so when you see me talking about it, this is the indicator. Now, the actual explanation for what the stochastic indicator is there's two lines. One is percentage K, which is this blue line, and one is percentage D, which is this orange line. The percentage K is quite a fast line that shows the current close price relative to the high and low over a set number of periods. So we've got it set at 14 here, and that's standard really. And the 3 is the kind of smoothing and slower reaction of the percentage D line, which takes into account 3-day moving average of this percentage K. So it's like a smoothed out line. And people use this to trade all the time, or people use it as an indicator to make decisions on trades. Like when these lines cross over, there's ways to trade using that. But what we're interested in is these two levels of 80 and 20, so it's between 0 and 100, and we're looking at the levels above 80 and below 20. Above 80 signals to us that the share is potentially overbought, which could mean that the price is about to come down, and below the 20 tells us that this share is potentially oversold, which means it could be turning and the price could return back up. Now if you have a look in line with this price, you see that it matches very closely exactly what the price has done. Now it's not a lead indicator, it's telling you what's happened previously, but you know, the past is generally a good explanation of what could happen in the future, and these are tying into quite high spots. Now here you'll see overbought can last quite a long time. It doesn't mean that that price is going to drop at any day soon. It could carry on in this overbought period for a while, and the same can happen for oversold, but we are trying to relate this to exactly what's going on within the recent price. So what does it tell me here? Looking at this area here, we have got an oversold condition on the stochastic indicator, telling me that this share is potentially has been oversold and could bounce back towards overbought. Now that momentum change is what we're looking for. Now people can trade this crossover, like I said. You can trade it when it goes in above the 20 and more positive. But what you're looking for is that momentum change. So this momentum change area here could be a signal that the price is about to change. And exactly the same when it's overbought as well. So we can use that in many applications. If you were just investing and you click through on our page to Cape and you said, right, I want to buy in to Cape Technologies, it's ranked 377, I just want to have a quick look if it's a good time to buy, and you click through and you see that the stochastic indicator is sky high and the price is sky high. Is that a good opportunity to buy? Is that a peak time to buy? Potentially not. But if you looked here at this point and you wanted to buy and you saw it was oversold and you saw the price had dipped, this may be the opportunity that you wanted to buy into this particular share. So that's how you'd potentially use stochastic indicators. We combine it with many other indicators to give us an opportunity to buy or sell, but that's just a brief overview of the stochastic indicator. So any questions, please get in touch, and thank you very much.